So hello everyone, welcome to Possible Tips. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can change your Facebook password. So let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to go to your Facebook application. I'm using this Facebook Lite, but the steps are same in every application. So just go on this three lines, okay, and now just scroll down and go to this option called settings, okay, and after going to settings just scroll down and go to the security and login option, okay, and now this will take you to a new interface. Now click now scroll down and just go to this section called change password. So now as you can see, if you know your current password, then just type it, and now type your new password and retype your new password and just click on this save changes. Your password will be saved. But let's say you have forgotten your current password, okay, so in that case what you need to do is you need to click on this forgot password, and this will ask you this will send you a code in via email or your SMS or your phone number, and you have to just fill up the code and you can just reset your password. Okay, as you can see, get a code to reset your password, and you can reset your password in case you have forgotten your current password. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and let me know in the comments. And if you're new to this channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon and make it to all, so that you never miss an update, and I would really appreciate your support. Till then, I will see you in the next one. Peace.